Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X7 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer and enter the first code, which is *##06#. And thanks to this code we are provided with both the main numbers and the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK and another code, which is *##225#*##*#. And here we are in the calendar information, so we can check the events which are gathered in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also be right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events because here they're grouped into particular sections. Let's go back and let me show you another code, *##6485#*##. And here we are in the charging and battery information, so we can check whether it is charging right now or not, the current percentage and overall the health of the battery. So it is extremely useful, especially if you will observe some kind of problems with your battery. You can check how it looks like inside. So another code, *##4636#*##. And here we are in the testing mode, so we can check the phone information and the Wi-Fi info. So for example, the status, let's refresh the stats, and here we can check the SSID or network ID. We can also run ping test here. Or in the phone information, it is divided between two different SIM cards. We can check, for example, the email number, again, data service, voice service, signal strength. You can run ping test, and here you've got the results. Of course, you will be able to see the information if you've got your SIM card inserted. Here, after tapping on the 3-dot icon, you can also view fixed dialing numbers or enable data connection. Let me go back, and the last code for today's video is *##426#*##*#. And here we are in the diagnostics, so we can check the server host port time connected. We can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the 3-dot icon, we can show advanced view. Just tap on the status, and here we've got much more information. So for example, the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.